What if you could grow real fruit on a balcony, patio, or even a sunny window without a backyard? Today, I'll show you 10 fruit trees that actually do well in pots, plus the simple rules that make it work for beginners. And stay to the end, because I'll show you the #1 mistake that stops potted fruit trees from producing. Hey everyone, if you're short on space, container fruit trees are one of the fastest ways to build a mini orchard at home. But not every fruit tree is good in a pot, so we're choosing trees that stay small on purpose, often sold as dwarf or patio trees. Rule number 1, choose dwarf or semi-dwarf when you can. It's like choosing a small car for a small garage. These trees stay manageable, and they often fruit earlier. Rule number 2, big container equals better harvest. A small decorative pot can keep a tree alive, but it won't support a big harvest. Most fruit trees do best when they reach 40 to 60 liters, about 10 to 15 gallons. Rule number 3, sun is fuel. For sweet fruit, most trees need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. No sun, no sugar, and no sugar, no tasty fruit. Rule number 4, feeding matters. In the ground, trees can search for nutrients. In a pot, they can't. So during the growing season, use a fruit tree fertilizer, and your tree will reward you. All right, now the fun part. Here are the 10 best fruit trees for pots and small spaces. Remember, dwarf tree, big pot, lots of sun, and steady feeding. Number 1, dwarf citrus, like Meyer lemon, key lime, clémentine, or dwarf orange. Citrus is perfect for pots because it stays compact, it's evergreen, and it can fruit heavily. If winters are cold where you live, move it to a bright spot indoors. Quick citrus tips. Use free-draining soil, water deeply, and don't let it sit in soggy water. And give it sun. Citrus loves sun like a solar panel loves light. Number 2, fig. Figs love warmth, handle pruning well, and many varieties fruit great in pots. A fig can go from small tree to fruit machine surprisingly fast. Here's an easy fig rule. Water deeply. Then, let the topsoil dry a little before watering again. Not bone dry, not swampy, just a happy middle. Number 3, dwarf apple. Often sold as a patio apple. Yes, apples can grow in pots, but many apples need a friend for pollination. So choose a self-fertile type, or grow 2 compatible apples. Apples often like a bit of winter chill. So if you're in a cooler climate, apples can be one of the easiest container fruit trees. Number 4, dwarf peach or nectarine. They stay smaller, but they can still make full-size fruit. They need strong sun and steady feeding, especially when fruit is growing. Here's a trick. If your peach tree sets too many baby fruits, thin them. Fewer fruits means the tree can focus its energy, and you get bigger, sweeter peaches. Number 5, dwarf cherry. Some are self-fertile, and they look incredible when they bloom. Just remember, birds love cherries too, so you may need simple protection. Cherries like steady moisture in a pot. Not soaking wet, just evenly moist soil so the tree doesn't get stressed. Number 6, pomegranate. It's naturally pot-friendly, loves warmth, and handles pruning well. And when you see flowers, that's your sign fruit is on the way. Number 7, olive. Olives grow slowly, which is perfect for small spaces. They love sun, and they prefer soil that dries a bit between waterings. One quick olive tip. Some varieties fruit alone, and some do better with a pollinator. So when you buy, check the label, or ask, is this one self-fertile? Number 8, dwarf pear. Pears are like apples. They can handle cooler weather, and many do better with pollination. Keep them pruned and healthy, and they can fruit well in pots. Number 9, loquat. In mild climates, loquat is amazing. Evergreen, compact, and sweet fruit. Just protect it from hard frost. Number 10, dwarf mulberry, often sold as patio mulberry. It can grow fast and produce a lot. But ripe mulberries can be messy, so place the pot somewhere smart. Now, the big one, the number one mistake that stops fruiting is a pot that's too small and weak feeding. A tiny pot can keep a tree alive, but it won't support a big harvest. Upgrade the pot size over time and feed during the growing season. Here's a simple setup that works for most fruit trees in pots. A 10 to 15 gallon container, a free draining potting mix, a slow release fruit fertilizer, and mulch on top to hold moisture. Then put it in the sunniest spot you have. Watering is simple. Water deeply until it drains out the bottom. Then wait until the top few centimeters of soil feel dry. Healthy roots hate sitting in water. Pruning sounds scary, but it's just shaping. You're telling the tree, stay small, stay strong, and put energy into fruit. Aim for a neat, open shape where sunlight can reach the leaves. One more tip, some trees fruit alone, and some need a partner. If your tree blooms but never fruits, pollination might be the reason. 2 compatible trees or a self-fertile variety solves it. Quick recap of the 10 best fruit trees for pots: dwarf citrus, fig, dwarf apple, dwarf peach or nectarine, dwarf cherry, pomegranate, olive, dwarf pear, loquat, and dwarf mulberry. Pick one that matches your climate, give it sun, and start small. You'll learn fast. If you want, comment your country or climate zone, and I'll suggest the best 2 or 3 trees for your conditions. And if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe, because next we'll cover winter care for potted fruit trees and how to get bigger harvests.